Hi guys, it's Red. In this lesson we are going to talk about the while loop that is very similar to the for loop. Let's get started. Lesson 12 hyphen while.py. Count equals 0. New line, while count less than 10, column, new line, print, parenthesis, count. New line, count plus equal 1. That is the same as count equals count plus 1. And run it. As you can see, we obtain the same as we would have using a for loop like this. For I in range, parenthesis, 10. Else, column, new line, print, parenthesis, quotation mark, count equals 10, and run. As in a for loop, the while loop can also be used with the else statement in the same way as we just did. Now, let's create another while loop. Count equals 0, new line, while true, column, new line, print, parenthesis, count, new line, count plus equal 1. If count double equals 10, column, new line, break, remove the indentation, else, column, new line, print, parenthesis, quotation mark, unusable, and run. In this case, the while loop ended because of the break statement inside it, as we have already seen with the for loop. Let's create another while loop. Count equals 0, new line, while count less than 10, column, new line, count plus equal 1, new line, if count double equals 5, column, new line, continue. New line, print, parenthesis, count, and run. In this case, the number 5 hasn't been printed due to the continue statement. The continue statement prevents the execution of any code following it within a loop once it's executed. Let's recap. Lesson 12 hyphen while. We learned about while, else, and we learned about the continue statement. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.